So first open the photo in Adobe Illustrator, and then you want to go to your pen tool. And what you want to do is trace over all the lines here. And just kind of have fun with it. If you get too picky, you'll go down a rabbit hole. It's very easy to get super picky. So I just tried to have fun with it, and I'm not the best drawer ever, or really that good. Anyway, I did this with my mouse, which they say is very difficult. It took a long time. And then I put it into Photoshop, the original, and I went to the filter gallery, went to cutout, and then I layered the trace, which I did in Illustrator, over top of the file in Photoshop. And then I just played around with the opacity a bit,